If you've never had the pleasure of enjoying limoncello before, it is one of the most beautifully perfect drinks to enjoy during the warm summer months. It has a little bit of sweetness, a bit of tartness, and it is so incredibly refreshing. My name is Lisa, and today I'm going to show you how to make limoncello. Limoncello is a traditional Italian liqueur made from lemons, and it is produced predominantly in southern Italy, where my family is from. And it is the second most popular liqueur in Italy, with Campari being number one. It's traditionally served chilled as a digestivo after dinner or between the courses of a large meal as a palate cleanser. It's made with the peels of lemons steeped in a grain alcohol and then combined with a simple syrup and then chilled. And if we follow a few simple steps, it's very easy to make. Now, the best alcohol to use when making limoncello is a pure grain alcohol like Everclear. And if you can find it in the 190 proof form, that is the best one to get. If you can find it in 151 proof or 120, that's very good also. The reason we use Everclear is because it's almost an entirely pure alcohol, and it has the cleanest flavor, and it does the best job of extracting the oils from the lemon peel. And it can be very difficult to find, especially in the 190 proof form, because it isn't legal in some states. And even where I am in Canada, the highest proof I can find is the 151, and I have to go to a specific liquor store to get it. The next best thing to use is a high proof vodka, and you just need to add more lemon, let the mixture steep a little bit longer, and the final product will be a little bit more transparent than your traditional limoncello, but you will still get a very nice quality lemon liqueur at the end. I'll put a recipe for both methods in the description box. So making limoncello is very, very easy, and it just involves a few simple steps. So what we're going to use to make 16 ounces altogether, we're going to use the rind of 3 lemons. We need a mason jar with a lid, and of course our bottle of Everclear. So to make 16 ounces of limoncello, we're going to take the rind off of 3 lemons. So here's the lemon rind from our 3 lemons and our mason jar. So now what we're going to do is just take our lemon rinds and put them right into the mason jar. Now you want to take your Everclear and pour 8 ounces of Everclear into the mason jar and put the lid on it. Now we've got the lid on the jar, and we just pop it in the fridge and leave it there for 3 or 4 days. So it's been a few days, and if we look to see how our mixture is doing, you can see that it's turned this beautiful yellow color, and that's the oils from the lemon rind that's being absorbed into the alcohol. So what we're going to do now is we're going to strain the lemon rinds out, and we're going to create a simple syrup. So I have a clean empty jar here and one of these little strainers. So I'm going to take our lemon mixture and we're going to strain it into the clean jar. And hang on to these rinds because we're going to use these when we make our simple syrup. So just set your element to medium heat, and we're going to add 1 cup of water and 5/8 of a cup of sugar. Now this mixture doesn't need to boil, it just needs to be heated through enough to melt the sugar into the water so that you don't have any sugar granules. Now that the sugar is all melted, turn off the heat, take your leftover lemon rinds and add it to the water. Let the lemon rinds sit in the water until it comes to room temperature, and that way you'll get every last bit of flavor out of the lemon rind so we can add it to our final mixture. So now our simple syrup is cool and we're ready to bottle up our limoncello. Now I was always taught to put the alcohol in first, so that's what we're gonna do. And now we'll slowly add in our water. Now look at this absolutely gorgeous color. And if I give this a little taste, the taste is just fresh and zesty and clean, and this is so perfect for a warm summer day. Take your bottle of limoncello and store it in the fridge, and it'll last over a year. And it is so versatile. You can sip it straight, mix it with tonic water or soda water. You can put a little bit over ice cream, which is fabulous. And it is the perfect way to bottle up a little bit of summer. Thank you so much for joining in, everyone. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.